What is your purpose in life without fulfilling the reason why you are placed on this earth? You were born to make an impact, your voice matters, and so does the one next to you. In Africa, there is a concept known as Ubuntu, the profound sense that we are humans through the humanity of others. If we are to accomplish anything in this world, it will in equal measure be due to the work and achievement of others. It builds a life of meaning. We are here to support a vision, a dream of the youth, to change lives even if it might mean only one life. Giving hope to the youth feeling lost, not sure if they have a place to sleep, something to eat, a warm blanket, or how they would get to school. Giving hope is awakening a dream. The day you leave this earth, you leave everything behind. But by knowing you have helped others, you have fulfilled your purpose in life. The more you give, the more you have much to keep giving. Be the one that can change a life, support a dream, or even awakening a vision or hope in their lives.